A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew. I for Itabar. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lychee. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queens. R for raisin. S for strawberry. T for tamarind. U for ugly. V for velvet apple. W for watermelon. X for chikua. Y for young berry. Z for zucchini.